Hi guys, welcome to Erin and Pippa's May 2025 Sephora Haul. With my glamorous assistant Erin, we're going to show you everything that we've got this trip. So, first up, what have we got?
We have Josie Maron, the baby's bestsellers kit. It has argan oil, body butter, plus sugar scrub, head to toe hydration travel trio.
Yeah, you can't get that in the UK, so yeah, the argan oil is really good, so we always pick that up.
It was $36, but it's valued at $52.
Always the kits you seem to get a good value, don't you? So that's that one.
Yeah.
And the next one,
we have Hatton Curl Cocktail Kit. You can tell who this is for. And it includes a leave-in conditioner, a curl cream, styling cream, and a curl gel.
and you use that, don't you? You really like that. And again, you can't get that in the UK, can you? Lovely. And then the next one, I always try and get this if I can.
Its retail value is $194 and it's priced at about $39.
Yeah, so this is the Sephora Sun Safety Kit.
So you have Lancome, I don't know how to pronounce any of these.
Yeah, I don't think you really need to read out all the, I mean the
glow recipe is quite
that's a full size, the glow recipe, and the beauty blender with the cute sunglasses.
That's quite cool.
That's really cool. That's a full size. So basically,
also
the
got
cost,
full size this as well.
The KO. So those 3 items is the cost of the kit, and you get this really cool Super Goop bag, which has got the little tag on it, Super Goop. But these always sell out. They sell out really quickly, and managed to get one, but I think they're all sold out now. The next one,
we have Sephora's Favourites, and its retail value is $93, but it's priced to about $42 plus tax. And you get Glow Recipe Mini, Rare Beauty Mini, Charlotte Tilbury Mini, Sol de Janeiro Mini, Amica, Anafir, and what's that one? Tarte.
that's a Tarte lip balm, but it's the
and
bag.
You get a full-size milk.
The bag is so cute. It's like a proper little zip up.
It's so cute.
You could either use it as a handbag or a makeup bag. It's so cute. That's why I bought that one. And then next we have...
Mum just picked this up today and it is $30, but its value is $52. And you get 2 really nice lip glosses. You get Velvet and Pixie. One is sparkly and one isn't. Pixie Sparkly.
Basically, you buy one, get one free. I love the Velvet one. That's my shade. But yeah, buy one, get one free. So
nice box as well.
Yeah. So yeah, bargain. And the next ones, we always use these on the flight, don't we?
Yeah.
People always like, oh, what they got on their faces, but they're eye masks, aren't they?
And they dry out as well, but they're really refreshing.
You keep your face nice and fresh, don't they?
Then we have a foot mask, and it's lavender. It's quenching and relaxing.
Ideal for when you're wearing all your flip-flops and your sliders to make you feel your feet feel nice and fresh. Then we made the cardinal sin. We forgot to bring a pencil sharpener, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we went to this Sephora, and this lovely man was trying to find us a sharpener, and every brand, they were all sold out, and that was the only one he could find. So it's an Anastasia Beverly Hill one, but yeah. Yeah. Now this, I forgot my powder brush, so it's been driving me mad, so I thought I would go and buy one. And I was going to buy number 3, the full size. The number, I think it's $19 for the full size, whereas you get 3 for $22. So you get your powder brush, your blusher brush, and what's the other one? It's a highlighter brush, is it?
Yeah.
That one there.
Multitasker multitasker
brush.
face, and that's powder.
Yeah. And this cute little pouch. So that was $22.
Pouch.
And now the freebies.
So we have the Summer Friday's birthday gift, which Mum got for her birthday. And you get a lip balm and a jet lag mask, which Mum really likes.
Yeah, it's brilliant, especially on the plane. It's like the perfect travel size, and you just put it on, and yeah, it's brilliant stuff. It's just moisturiser mask. You don't have to rinse it off, so it's brilliant for the plane. And then last, this is a 500-point perk.
Sawasu. Is that how you pronounce it?
Sawasu, yeah.
Sawasu. You got the Cult Classic Icons kit. It includes a gentle cleansing foam, first care activating serum, concentrated ginseng renewing serum, and concentrated ginseng renewing cream.
So that one, that's a Korean beauty brand. You can't get that in the UK either. Yeah. And I did have a look quickly on Sephora's website, and their trial kit is normally $60. So we got that as a 500-point pack. So excellent. So you're happy with our haul?
Yeah.
I think we've done really well, haven't we? So it's all a bit of a mess now, but yeah, that's our little haul.